How to get copywriting client fast. So this video is very important. When it comes to getting the copywriting client, we need to understand that we have to follow certain kind of a rules, right? So previously, I already make a video where I already share with you guys that I don't have any client. So there is a reason for that, why I don't have any client. Because I don't do ads, I don't outreach, and I just try to create the content, and then I stop it certain a while, right? Sometimes because I have to do the job also, right? So when I'm in the job, I don't record the video, I don't create the post, and sometimes I do that, right? So that is the only reason with my inconsistency I'm not able to have the client, right? So that is the another form of where we see that why we don't have the client, right? But if you want to have a client and you want to make it fast, you don't want to wait for 1 or 2 months. You are thinking that Shivam, I don't want to wait. I want to make sure that you are telling me something which can actually help me, so that I can get the client, right? So if you want to have a client, what you need to do, you should have a website. I already bought the course of Alan Sharp, and he told me in that particular course that if you want to sell your services to the great client, you need to have a website. So if I want to sell my particular services, what I need to do, I should have a website. I should have a portfolio. I should have a contact page. I should have something where people can come to my website, and I can generate the traffic from my YouTube channel to my website, so that they can come, they can understand, okay, Shivam is doing something right. So that's how it is. I can promote my particular services of copywriting through my website only. So if you want to have a client, if you want to get client fast, you should have a website. Rather than going to fiverr.com, upwork.com, you should try to make sure that you buy a domain, you buy that hosting, and you should try to have a copywriting right in the website copyright. You should contact a copywriter, or maybe you can say to me, I will write the copy for your website in that time. And if you are able to do that, then people come to your website. Let's say 1,000 people visit to your website on a month, and even though if you have a 10% ratio also, in that time also you are able to sell to 100 people, right? So that's how you can do that. Second thing, what you need to do, you need to run ads, right? So when it comes to creating organic creating organic video, trying to reach to the client organically, it will require a time, because you're not paying for that, right? So what you need to understand is that when you are not paying through ads, you need to spend a lot of time. You need to invest. Spending is also a bad word. You need to invest a lot of time by providing the value to the people, so that they can understand that, okay, he is providing me the value, and now he's promoting that particular product and services also. So people will trust you. But this is a long term process, and it's very hard process. That's why people don't want to do that. That's why there is a friend of mine, she always say to me, why don't you run ad? Why don't you go to the Facebook? Why don't you go to the Instagram and run the ad? Just because you have a great page, once you run the ad, people will see that, and people will trust you about that, right? So that is the way. First is website. Second is, if you run more and more ads, then you will have the client fast. Let's say if you are spending $100 only, and if you are able to only close 3 clients, and you are charging $200 for each and every client, so you will have 600 clients, $600 in revenue in the business, and all you spend is $100. That's how you do your business, right? So thank you so much for watching this particular video. Background noise is there. Trying to make sure that we create a lot of good quality videos in the future. I will request you guys to please watch the videos full, so that I will create a lot of great qualities video in the future. I will request you to please share this particular video to someone who wants to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this video.